Imagine standing amidst a serene Albanian mountainscape, the sound of a hidden waterfall echoing around you. Welcome to the Grunas waterfall in Theth, Albania. This surreal, lesser-known paradise in the Balkans boasts not only pristine natural beauty, but also offers a peaceful escape from crowded tourist hotspots. Pro tip: visit in early morning hours for the best lighting and solitude while on your hike along the Theth National Park trails. Don't forget to pack a good pair of hiking boots and a waterproof jacket. The trails can be a bit challenging, but are so worth it for the unrivaled beauty you'll encounter. Let Albania surprise you with its untouched allure.